In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub access token in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're diving into your first project or managing several repositories, having an access token is essential for ensuring secure and efficient interactions with GitHub's API. Let's dive right into the process and get you set up with one. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to GitHub. You can easily access GitHub's homepage by typing github.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you're going to want to sign in to your account. Look towards the top right of the screen, you'll find the sign in button right there, welcoming you to start the process. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, which typically include your username or email and your password. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard, which serves as your homepage once you're authenticated. This dashboard provides you with a quick snapshot of your repositories, activity, and updates from other repositories or developers you're following. From here, you'll need to head to your account settings. To do this, locate the small circular icon, often featuring your profile image or a placeholder symbol, again in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage all aspects of your account and profile. Within the account settings, you will notice a sidebar with several options. You're going to want to look for a section called Access or something similar. Click on it and it will open a new menu. Here you should find personal access tokens, which are crucial for managing access across different applications and for scripting Git operations without using your GitHub password. Click on Generate New Token to start the creation process. At this stage, you might be asked to provide a GitHub password as an additional security measure. Once you're through, you'll see a form to fill out details for your token. Name your token something memorable and relevant to its intended use. You will also want to carefully select scopes and permissions based on your need. For example, if you need to access repositories, as indicated, make sure to check the boxes corresponding to those access levels. Remember, access tokens hold the same power as your GitHub account credentials, so safeguard your token like you would a password. Once you've filled out everything and double-checked your settings, click the Generate Token button at the bottom of the page. GitHub will display your new token on the screen. Be sure to save it in a secure place, as this is the only time GitHub will show it to you. And there you have it, a personal access token for GitHub ready for your next project.